Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by locating the safe manual and confirming the battery type, for example 9V or 4 AA cells. Gather one 9V battery or 4 AA cells, a small screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Stand in good light and clear space to place removed parts safely. Power down the safe by entering the code and turning the override knob to open. Keep the owner code handy and avoid forcing the lock during any step in this process. Open the battery compartment, usually behind the keypad or inside the door cavity. Use a small screwdriver to remove the compartment cover and keep screws in a tray. Inspect the battery holder for corrosion and note the polarity and orientation markings. Remove the old battery carefully and set it aside for recycling or disposal. Wipe the compartment with a soft cloth if you observe dust or residue before installing the replacement battery. Insert the new battery with correct polarity, for example plus to plus and to as marked. Push the battery fully into the holder until it seats firmly and does not wiggle. Replace the compartment cover and tighten screws gently without stripping them. Close the safe and test the lock functions and keypad by entering the code twice. Reprogram the safe or reset any battery warning indicators as needed to complete the battery change process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.